Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I am going to be sharing kind of, I guess it's a haul. It is my Spellbinders small die, large die of the month, as well as my Glimmer hot foil system of the month. Now, the way that theirs works, apparently, is when you purchase or subscribe to the kit, that's when you get it each month. So I had, unfortunately, subscribed to the large and small die of the month at the very end of the month. I think it was like the 30th or something like that, literally the end of the month. So they do not ship my dies until the very, very end of the month. So this is actually the die for I guess it's February. Is it? Oh, or is it January? I don't even know. Oh, January. So it's for January. And so a lot of people have been creating with these already and have gotten their February kits, which I think are butterflies, something spring-like. But I love these dies that we got, and they can be used all year round, which is just wonderful. So the small die, and just so you know that the small and large die of the month, if you buy them together, it's $30 shipped a month. It's really a steal. So I think it's a really, really good bargain. So you get the small die, which I'm going to show you is not so small. This particular one for January is fabulous. It's a paper doll one. It's super cute. You can make a boy doll, a girl doll, and you also get this piece to make a heart balloon. Super cute. And then the large die of the month is this one right here, which comes with two different hearts. And then you've got to this, which makes kind of like I'll show you. It's like a, what do you call it? Some kind of like a bouquet of flowers you can make with that. And then you've got all these different vines. And then you have this beautiful cherish word here, which is really, really nice. And then the Glimmer hot foil. So in order to use this, you have to have a hot foil system. There's a couple different companies that make them. I happen to have the Glimmer hot foil by Spellbinders, but Crafter's Companion has a Gemini one. There's also like a Go Press and Foil. So there's a couple of them on the market. This kit is $20 a month shipped. I think that one's a little pricier, but because I don't have very many hot foil dies, I kind of want to do this one at least for the first 6 months, year, and see what I get and how to build my collection. So you get a roll of hot foil, which you can't use the foil for the mink, and then you get your dies for the month. So this is for February. So I got my gold foil, and then I got these two banners that cut, and then I've got a bunch of words that I can foil. So you get quite a few words. Miss you, with love, thank you, best wishes, hello there, happy birthday, congratulations, and just for you. Okay, so you get those. And then, so let me show you my projects, which I actually really think came out really cute. So this one right here, I actually used all three items or all three kits for this. I did my paper doll. You can see her there. I used scraps of the Valentine's paper that I've been using for the month of February. This is a piece that I had foiled using a die, so I didn't want to go to waste, so I was able to use it here on this card. And then here is that little bouquet of flowers. So for my flowers, I just did some of the vines, the little flowers that come, dies that come in the kit, and then the centers I used Nouveau drops is what I used for that. And then I have these little hearts. They were from something I had cut out, and it left a whole bunch of these little confetti hearts, and so I used them throughout the projects. And then here is the hot foiled happy birthday in the gold. So really cute. This one right here just uses the large die of the month and then the vines that come with it, and all those little hearts. So you could do the little flowers that come in the large die kit. There's little flowers that come with it, but same ones I used for the bouquet. But instead I used all those little confetti hearts that I had sitting on my desk. And then I used the Just For You hot foil. It's very shimmery in the gold. And so there's that card. And then I've got this one, which is another one using that super cute paper doll. And what I did here is I did 3 balloons. So I did 2 balloons that I white embossed some words. This one says Just For You. This one says Consider Yourself Hugged. This one I think is from the stamp market. And this one is from a Cat's Pajamas stamp set that I have. And then I did just a heart balloon right here out of some paper. And there's that one. I love how that one came out. And then the last one that I'm going to share with you guys is this one right here, where I did the boy doll. And what I did with the hair for the dark ones is, you can't really see it as well, but I did do some Copic marker feathering just to give it a little dimension. It looks pretty good, actually. And then, so I did my doll, and then right here I used the large die, this heart right here, and then I ran this through my Cuttlebug with my hearts embossing folder. And then I did the word that comes in that kit, the large die kit, and it just says Cherish right there. So these are just adorable cards, really. That paper doll is so cute. You could do lots of different things with it. And then even this heart die is just really something else too. Super cute to this large die kit. I really, really love it. I'm not disliking my Glimmer hot foil because it's basic words, which I think is really needed. But it's not like crazy amazing. While I feel like the dies that I had gotten the February, I think there's January. The January dies of the month for the small and large die are just probably some of my favorite dies that I've gotten recently, and I've got a lot of dies. So really, really cute. If the kit is something you're interested in, just go to the Spellbinders website. I would personally, if you were interested in this, buy the large and small die because it's $30 shipped for both of them. You save money buying both of them, so really the savings is there to get them both. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.